بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. ألهاكم التكاثر, abundance diverts you. حتى زرتم المقابر, until you come to the graves. كلا سوف تعلمون, nay, you shall soon know. ثم كلا سوف تعلمون, nay, nay, you shall soon know. كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين, nay, if you had known with a certain knowledge. لترون الجحيم, you should most certainly have seen the hell. ثم لترونها عين اليقين, then you shall most certainly see it with the eye of certainty. ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم, then on that day you shall most certainly be questioned about the